Everyone deserve to look good. Everyone deserve to look very sharp. So ngayon, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung how I do my personal grooming on myself or how I do a little bit of grooming on myself. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel and this is still me, Albert Cunyawan, and today, isasabay ko kayo sa getting ready with me. Everyone deserve to look good. Everyone deserve to look very sharp. So ngayon, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung how I do my personal grooming on myself or how I do a little bit of grooming on myself because I have a lot of Zoom meeting or online meeting today. So I'm going to share with you guys lang kung ano or paano ko gagawin yan on myself. First, I'm going to fix my hair muna. Hindi naman fix, i-tali ko or i-headband ko muna. And then I got a Hair Story headband or hairband. So, try lang natin guys ha. Never ako gumaganito pero sige try natin guys. So, first of all, you want to keep your hair away from the face para everything looks nice and looks easy for you to work around. So ngayon, ang daming ko local products na gusto ko i-share sa inyo na I'm going to use it for the first time in front of you. So getting ready with me, men's grooming, and also using local products and also konting of review lang rin. So okay, ngayon, let's start. I'm going to prep my skin lang a little bit. I know, a lot of you been seeing me using this one. This is my favorite. So I'm using these wipes from Jeju Alu Eyes. It's also from Fresh Skin Lab. I guess sa lahat ng wipes available in the market, yung nakita ko, yung wipes na to, isa sa pinakamaganda and also bukod sa lahat, isa sa pinaka-affordable. So I'm going to use this, of course, again, a lot of been using the water drop, which is really effective talaga. And my favorite, tingnan mo manipis na on, kasi I've been using this. I'm going to use a little bit lang, this one. Yan. And then, I'm going to warm it sa palm ko lang. And then, press a little bit lang. Just give a little bit of massage on your face. I'm going to use this sun gel. Okay, you might know that I'm allergic to SPF kasi I don't use really sunblock and normally I use the oral one. And then I've been testing this one during the quarantine and surprisingly, I'm okay with it. And gently, tingnan mo parang tubig lang siya guys oh. Parang actually ang ganda yung feeling niya. There you go. Moving forward, I'm going to use something more for my face kasi naka-set na yung lahat ng skincare ko kasi I want it very light ngayon. I'm going to use for tinted moisturizer or tinted cream. So I'm going to use this cream tinted sunscreen from Sunglow. Ito yung collaboration nila Ray and May Layuk, no? Ray Germar and May Layuk. Oh my god, nagulat ako ha kasi may pump pala siya. Fairness, ang ganda. So ngayon, I'm going to use the deep one. Oh, I think it's quite dark for me. So I'm going to mix it with the medium one. And for my brush, I'm going to use this one from Unclutz. So, okay, this is yung traveling size na brush nila. So, perfect. Ihalo ko na siya. So, ihalo ko na siya konti-unti. So, since it's tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen, so I'm not going to apply it a lot. So, ganun lang muna guys. But for now, I'm going to blend it muna with Eye Candy Pro Beauty Blender. So, this is also a local brand. Uy, in fairness to ha. No echos guys. My God, kinikilig ako. I just buff a little bit using a powder brush. I'm going to have a little bit of powder lang to set a little bit here. Also from Sunglow. And then side of your nose and then a little bit side of the lip. Definitely we don't want to cover everything with powder. I'm going to buff the excess powder. And then para hindi mukhang halata guys, I'm going to spray again with the collagen spray para mag-set siya even more. Para mas mas skin pa rin yung dating niya. See? Lalo mas mukhang skin siya. Okay, now moving on. So, this is a little bit trick of me. So, I'm going to put a little amount lang. Tingnan nyo. So, I'm going to use the ponytail one or the blending brush. It's nice to have a little bit of color there. Parang contour on your eyes pero hindi halata. Para mas buhay yung mata nyo. Next, I am moving on to eyebrows. Yes, you have to have a good eyebrows talaga. Eyebrows on fleek. It's regardless kung anong gender nyo, anong age nyo. Kilay is life. I'm going to use Tevian. Ito yung bestseller namin, yung eyebrow tint. I'm using She because I like it dark and I like hindi halata. I'm going to really feel the butas lang guys ha. Follow the direction of the growth of your hair. Nakita nyo? Parang mayroon thin siya. Yung ito naman medyo paslan. Ipaslan natin yung glides niya. Ganito ganun rin. There. Nakita nyo? Ito may butas-butas pero ito mas siya. Pero it doesn't look like gawang-gawa. Normally, I like to follow or to make it full yung sa baba. Pero sa taas, huwag nyo na lang i-drawing masyado para hindi halata guys ha. Para kita pa rin yung bushiness and stroke ng hair nyo. I'm going to fill lang dulo lang para mas mukhang 3D siya a little bit using the my favorite Tevian Eyebrow Duo. This is waterproof, sweatproof, and oil proof. So I'm going to use the darker one. I'm going to fill yung tip lang guys. I like to do it on my eyes pero optional lang. Pero I'm going to use the same eyebrow powder in and then yung darker one, I'm going to draw the outside corner lang a little bit to make my lashes look thicker. There, nakita nyo kung paano malungkot yung mata ko dito and very plain lang. Ito yung dulo niya mas buhay. So, pero at the same time, hindi halata siya. So, ngayon, I'm going to do on the other side also, guys. The same thing rin. We're almost done, pero I like to give a little bit of contour lang para mas may definition sa mukha natin. Pero hindi halata, guys, ha? I'm going to use this Tevian Sculpt to Bronze palette in the shades of Palermo. The trick is, you just have to do it subtle. So, since may sideburn ako, so I'm going to start there. And then a little bit squeeze your upper part of the cheek. That part, you have to contour. So, again guys, yung contour ng lalaki and babae magkaiba. Kung babae, ganun lang. Yung lalaki, we want to give definition here, di ba? So, what I do, like that, sundan mo pababa, pa-chin. So, there. That's how I do it. And then, bring it to the jaw. Temple or the side or the corner of your forehead. And then now, moving on, I'm going to spray again another one of this one para mas mukhang natural everything and to blend everything or to set everything together. So next, we are moving on the lips kasi I know some guys hate using lip balm. So I'm going to use this one, the BLK. This is yung latest collection nila. It's actually the Uncomplicated Beauty. Ito yung kaka-release lang nila. Nag-aano pa siya, you have to shake muna guys. It's okay. Do not be afraid when you see product like that. Anything liquid, shake it first. Anything creamy, shake it first. Kasi I've been seeing na a lot of beauty influencers na konting lang, ay, bakit ganun yung formula niya? Tsaka, baka expired na to or mga ganun. Hindi totoo yan guys. Especially, you just check the manufacturing date and of course expiration. And if it's still okay, you just have to shake it lang guys. Bare Nude. So, okay, it's a little bit peach siya sa akin. Maganda yung kulay niya. I will really use this on my brides, on my clients, pero yeah, it's too pink or too peach for lalaki. I'm going to mix lang a little bit, guys. Happy Skin Lip Malo. This is in collaboration nila with John Ray. Congrats, John Ray, on this. And I super love the formulation kasi I already used this one. Feel ang inner part of the lips lang. Hindi mo kailangan i-outline, guys, ha? What I do, yun, remove the excess. Wala ako lip balm ngayon. I'm using this lip oil from La Mer. I mean, wala ako local lip oil here in front of me. So, little bit. There you go. And then now, I'm done with my look. Tandaan nyo, men's makeup kasi dapat you know how to control it. And then of course, at the same time also, I like to layer it with beauty mist. Para every layer, it will set and then it makes it more natural looking. Yeah, I hope you like it. And now I'm going to fix my hair lang. Using this Technique Art from L'Oreal, and this is my favorite talaga kasi it's easy to remove kahit magsishampoo ka. So this is actually the Density material, texturizing wax. So, super easy lang yung hair ko. And then when it's dry, naka-texture na agad yung wax paste nito. Yun, may konting palong. Charot. So ayan na guys, tapos na tayo. Very quick and easy lang how to do men's grooming. So guys, thank you for watching for this video, and I hope this video can be a help for you guys, especially mga guys out there who are struggling on how to groom themselves. You guys deserve to look good also. You guys deserve to look sharp. Hindi mga babae lang kailangan mag-makeup. Nowadays, it's okay for men to put on a little bit of makeup to improve or to enhance their look. No judgment guys. Anyone can use makeup. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys can really learn something from this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.